approaching waypoint Charlie. ETA to the facility is 15 minutes. All systems nominal, Longhorns are secure.
The Longhorn convoy is approaching Gate 4. Acknowledged. Unloading Bay 7 is ready for immediate docking. Verified. Bay 3, proceed to unloading dock. Roger that. Convoy moving to Bay 3.
We have movement on the White Longhorns. Keep them steady.
Copy that. Guiding the lead bull now.
Steady, steady. Next one coming through. Keep the line moving.
Ramp 2, keep the pace steady. We have 3 more coming down.
Roger that, Supervisor. The gray bull is moving into lane 3 now.
Keep the flow steady through Gate 3.
Acknowledged. All scanners are registering green, proceeding as planned.
Opening automated Gate 4. Send the gray group through.
Roger that. Barriers are secure in Section 3. Mobility looks good. No signs of lameness post-transport. Vitals are stable. Confirmed entry in the database. Excellent work, team. The department is fully prepared for operations. Okay, team. Transfer is proceeding smoothly. Dr. Ramirez, please prep Platform 3 for the next arrival. The muscle density scan looks excellent, well within optimal range.
Agreed. Hoof integrity is perfect. We can finalize the report.
Horns look good, slight asymmetry on the left shoulder.
Vitals are stable.
Approved for processing. After careful review of the health records, the bulls are approved for transfer. The system is updated automatically. Moisture content is optimal, right on target. Confirmed. The automated distribution is working perfectly. Pressure check on Tunnel 3.
Reading nominal. Supervisor. Starting cycle.
Confirmed. Proceed. Pressure levels look good on Unit 4. Acknowledged. Water recycling is stable. Coat quality and cleanliness confirmed. Horn condition is excellent.
Records verified. Final approval granted. Moving to stage 2.
Gates are open. Herd 3 is moving into Sector 4.
Confirmed. Movement is smooth. All clear on the east side.
Processing Hall B reports 100% efficiency. All systems are green for the next cycle.
The grain on this shipment is superb.
Yes, the finish is flawless.
Let's refine the curvature of the straps and the placement of the clasp.
Looks much more elegant now. Send it to production.